What's going on everyone, hope you have a good day. So here I am back on another video. I am Surojit and welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to test on another crypto coin that it's about the meme coin. So you can see in this video's thumbnail that it's about the PEPEPOW. A new meme coin is right now available on the market, but this is not kinda new coin because in this before a month ago you can see a lots of video is available on there. It's about the PEPEPOW, that how to mine PEPEPOW, the hash rate, the difficulty, the revenue, and all the things is available on the YouTube channel. So why I make this video, it's on right now. So right now that you can see that this is a main website of PEPEPOW. The total supply it's about the 90 billion and it's run on meme hash algorithm. The halving it's about 129,600 blocks and each month on 3 times. So this is good for this, and the block time is about the 20 seconds. This is a proof of work, a GPU mineable coin. So that's why this I make this video. And also right now the profitability is going high, and right now if you mine on GPU, so per card on 3060 card, that you can see that I have a 3060 card, two 3060 card, the V1 card and also the V2 card, and totally I got about per card it's approx 89,000 PEPEPOW on as a 24 hours mining reward. So that's why I make this video. It's about the updated you that if you want to mine PEPEPOW, that you can get a maximum reward, and after the electricity it's about 0.10 cents. So this is not kinda maximum profitability, but this is good right now in this scenario. So this is a main PEPEPOW Twitter account that it's about 655 followers is right now available on there, and this is announcement is right now is available on the TXBit or the TextBit. So this is the GitHub site for the PEPEPOW. This is the Discord server, and also this is the Twitter account that you can see. This is the one, and also the Explorer. So if you click on the Explorer, you can get on, or you can go on this side, and here you can see that it's about the hash rate, the difficulty is also available on there, and the market price is also in there, and the others information is available on there, so you can check it out if you want to. So before you can continue this video, I go to the market price. Is right now it's going 12% down approx a 1 day chart, because right now on PEPEPOW it's going to a maintenance. So if you can see on the ZX, on there you can see that deposit and withdrawal is not available for the waiting network stability. So if I click on this as a deposit section or the withdraw section, that you can see that it's right now on the maintenance mode. So that's why this is not available right now. For this now I'm going to the on TextBit, but there is available that you can deposit or withdraw your PEPEPOW on as a USDT. Now let's back to the main video. It's about that how to mine. So if you want to mine, so I'm not a financial advisor, but if you want to mine PEPEPOW, you can generate a maximum reward, but I don't recommend that you can hold on this coin. So if you mine this coin on your rigs, on your GPU, so if you get the profitability, the max profitability, you can hold on for some days, because on this scenario you can see that it's halving as 3 times in on 1 month, each 1 month. So when the halving is going again, so you can sell it on and you get the maximum profitability on that time. So on Hashrate.no you can see that right now it's decreased the profit. It's about the 0.10 cents on for the maintenance server is going on, but on this revenue you can see that I said about that it's 88,000 to 89,000 PEPEPOW, but it's decreasing. So when I make this video, it's about I see the, or I also mining the PEPEPOW is right now So that's why I make this video. So on when I start mining, it's out that 89,000 PEPEPOW on for 24 hours revenue. But on when I make this video, I see that there is a 5,000 PEPEPOW and is increasing right now is 13,254 PEPEPOW on the 24 hours, and it's take around 60 watt, and the revenue is right now 0.4 and the profit is minus 0.10 cents. And this is the overclock setting, but I don't recommend this overclock setting because for the SRB miner, if you want to use this overclock setting for the SRB miner and this is going to be good, then it is good, but this is not work for me for the SRB miner. So that's why I don't recommend this overclock setting for the SRB miner, because sometimes it start as a good, but when after the half an hour or after the 2 hours 3 hours your cards is going shut down and your rigs are gonna shut down. So that's why I don't recommend this overclock setting. So I set a different overclock setting. So let's back to the HiveOS account. So you can see in this here that this is now my HiveOS account, and you can see that there is a lots of is the Nexapow, Capow, and also the Dynex meme hash and meme hash 2, and also some others is available. But on this scenario, when what I did that on this market scenario, I just mine on which one is going to be profitable right now. So I hold on this coin. So I tell you in this before video that I just mine on this coin which one is going to be profitable right now. So right now is Dynex is going to be profitable, and also the Sky Dodge is increasing, and I make is about the 1 2 3 4. It's time to time I change my mining on my HiveOS, because nice as that is lots of coin is not available. So that's why I selected on HiveOS, and time to time I just change my mining, and as a reward I just hold on all the alts coin, and when the difficulty is goes on and the profitability is increased, I just sell on that. On this HiveOS section, you can see that on meme hash I mined some. This is the yesterday charts that I mined, and also this is the one, but in this before I also make, but this is not available right now because the Dynex and the Capow is I just change time to time, so that's why this is not available on there. On wallet section, if you want to click on as a wallet that on, so I don't create any Windows wallet or the Linux wallet, so I create or the use as a exchange wallet. I use this one, the ZX exchange wallet, but right now this is not available as a deposit section, so that's why I can give you the settings is that, but there is a same settings is TextBit there is available right now, and just deposit on there. Click on the TextBit section, and on wallet just search on Pepe and just click on the deposit and just uncheck on there and copy on the wallet, and on create wallet just add your wallet, select the Pepe. So there is a 3 Pepe is available on there. This is Pepe, this is PEPEW, and this is PEPE2. So I also mine PEPE2, so I make this video it's about the PEPE2 if you want to. So let's comment on below, or otherwise I make this video is on the later video. So this is the PEPEPOW, and paste on your wallet address and give the name as a Pepe. So I use as a text bit, so that's why I give the name and create. So there you can see that the text bit is available on there, but here you can see that the PEPE2 and also the PEPEW or the proof of work is this is for the ZX exchange wallet, so I am using right now. And on the market price, here we can see that is roughly it's going up on that scenario, but right now is going to a maintenance mode, so that's why it's going to be decreasing. It's about on 1 day chart it's about 12%. So on the mining section you can choose as mining4people.com, or you can use as a Eka pool, or you can also use a Z pool or Rplant. So I'm using the Eka pool and also the Rplant. However, the mining for people is going to have max hash rate in there, the network hash rate, but I'm using Rplant and Eka pool. So Rplant, it is going to be too easy, because on Eka pool server there is lots of issue is available on there that I faced on Dynix and also in the PEPEPOW, but on Rplant that is too good. So that's why I'm not using the Eka pool right now to give you as an example. So I am using the Rplant server pool. On connect button, if just select on SRB miner, choose on Windows or Linux. So I'm choosing on Linux. Choose the server and just uncheck the SSL and just copy on that. Okay, so now let's back to the flight sheet. So on the flight sheet here we can see that I set a wallet or at the flight sheet in here. So just for you I select another proof of work. This is for the configure in miner if you want as a, so I just configure in miner and select the SRB miner. On setup config file, select the meme hash algorithm, the worker name, and for the pool you just copy on this pool server. I think this is gonna be stratum plus TCP // I think this is the right and the X, and apply on changes. But if you want to not to configure in miner direct on the Rplant or the mining for people and also the Eka pool, so Eka pool is not available on there. So I'm choosing the Rplant, and on there I choose on ACA server and apply on changes. And on setup config file you can see that the meme hash, also the worker name, I think this not be right. So I just open up my old settings and this is the right. So you can select this one, that on there you can see that I select the PEPEPOW in there and the exchange wallet. This is for my ZX wallet, and I set the name and pool. I'm choosing the ACA server on Rplant, and on SRB miner this is the right flight sheet setting that you can copy on there. So this is the meme hash algorithm, worker name. There you can get the worker, but just like worker name in there, but delete this worker name from there and paste on in there. And on URL section just click on the URL, and on password you can choose on X, or you can blank it on there as like this. And on there the extra config, the disable CPU option you can input in there and apply on changes, and just create your flight sheet. So this is gonna be done. Now I go to the my flight sheet on there, so you can see that PEPEPOW is now on the list. So I just mining on there just for the video. I shut down my rigs and make this video for you, and this is the overall thing. And for the overclock setting I just set the auto fan speed option in there, and for the overclock setting I set only the core clock and the memory clocks, not set any power limit in there, just the auto fan speed option I just enable on there. So on hashrate.no you can see On Pepe, here you can see that it's about the core clock is 250 and the core locked core clocks is 15,000 and 1500, and the memory clocks is 5,000, power limit is 150, and you got the revenue, it's about 0.4 profit. But I can get the better result on this overclock setting that you can see in this here, that it's about the core clocks is 1400 and the memory clocks is 2400. Not set any fan speed option and the power limit option in there, just I said the auto fan speed option. And now let's back to the live update. Here is the live update. It's about the PEPEPOW, that the 31.55 mega hash and it's run, and the power limit is take around 70 watt. So this is maximum that the Hashrate.in is recommended. It's our 60 watt, but it's kind of same because it continues goes up and down. The power limit is about 65 to 670 watt I can get on my rig. So that is the same thing. Is the core clocks is 1400, the memory clocks is the 2400. I just set the auto fan speed option in there, so you can check it out that the auto fan speed option in enable, and no overclock setting I set in this here. You can see that no overclock setting for the power limit and for the fan speed, just enable the auto fan speed option. And this is the recommended setting for myself that I can get the better result and not to crash. It's running right now, the meme hash is right now, or the PEPEPOW is live. The 31.62 megahash I can achieve on my 3060 V1 card. So this is the live update that my V1 card is now running, and it's get around 31.33 to 62 megahash, and it's got around 68, 69 and 70 watt that I told you in before, that it's take around 70 watt to 65 watt it's take around. And this is I get a deal from Amazon that I bought this BenQ monitor for my editing purpose, and right now is live in there. So this is the update. It's about the PEPEPOW, that how to mine and what is the hash rate and the revenue. It's got that here. You can see that it's about 0.10, and it's also right now is decreasing. It's about 12,324, but you can see in before that it's about 13,000. So it's going up and down. So because of the maintenance mode, I think, because on the coin market cap it's still down, and I just refresh on that and it's going kind of up or the same, it's down. This is the update is about that the PEPEPOW. I hope this gonna be good, because I just hold on some altcoin on my exchange that I can sell on the market that is gone be up. And this is the overall update. It's about the PEPEPOW, that you can mine and generate the revenue. And this is, I'm not a financial advisor, so that's why I don't recommend that you can mine definitely on your rig. So this is totally up to you. You can check it out all the information carefully before the mining. So this is the overall update in this video that about the PEPEPOW. So if this video is helpful for you and this is going to be informative for you, please like and subscribe and support my channel continuously, that I can achieve my next milestone. It's about the 2000 subscribers. So thanks for you guys in this video. So have a good day. See you in the next one.